Today on Cooking with Lynja, we're making stuffed shells. The first step is to boil some water and cook the jumbo shells for approximately 10 minutes. The next step is to prepare the vegetables. First, we rinse approximately 4 cups of spinach and then chop the spinach. Then we dice some onions and mince some garlic. It's time to saute them. We add a teaspoon of oil to the frying pan, and then we add the garlic, the onions, and the spinach and saute them in a frying pan. To make the ricotta mix, we mix 12 ounces of ricotta cheese, the mozzarella, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, and mix it with the sauteed vegetables. Now that we've prepared our filling and cooked our shells, now it's time to stuff our shells. Then we cover with aluminum foil and bake for 25 minutes. Making a mini stuffed shell for Dobby. Oh, sit. Okay, Dobby. And that's how you make stuffed shells.
Very good. It reminds me of when I was in Italy.
Bet I could beat you, Dad. Are you kidding me? Look at that speed I have on that.
Beat me by 1 banana.